Hello friends, in this video lecture we learn basic structure of HTML. In previous lecture we studied about what is HTML. So in this video lecture we learn basic structure of HTML, advantages of HTML. So let's start. HTML tags are enclosed within angular brackets, like this is called as opening tag, this is called as closing tag. Tags are not case sensitive. For example, we can write HTML tag in this manner or in this manner. Every HTML page is enclosed within two tags, HTML and close HTML tag. This HTML page is divided into two sections, head section and body section. In head section contain title of the document, which enclosed with title and close title tag of head tag. The actual text of document is written within the body tag. So see here the structure of HTML. This is the text editor, notepad. We can write our code in this manner and save with .htm or .html extension and see in any browser. So see here advantages of HTML. First, HTML is easy to learn and use. For who the learning web development, HTML is the first language that person will go through. It has simple tag and no hectic of case sensitivity. Second, HTML is free. It is free of cost and there is no need to purchase any specific software. Third advantage, HTML is supported by all browsers. All the global browsers are supported by HTML. HTML provides easy way to optimize the website according to browser. Simple to edit. It is easy to edit. There is no need to a specific platform to edit it. It can be edited in any text editor like Notepad or Notepad++ or any text editor. And last advantage, display changes instantly. Can see the changes instantly by saving it and reload the page. For example, you change the font size, it will show up instantly by saving and reload it. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.